Everybody wake up. This is the first of the month. Alright. As you see, I'm out. People keep staring at me. Like, what? They ain't never seen nobody make a YouTube video out? I don't know. Anyways. Yeah. So, I think they think I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. But on the real. So, I came up with something. I don't know if it's going to be Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to upload a song. And I want y'all to watch it. Tell me what y'all think about it. That's that nigga McCray. I'm about to go jump his ass. Hell no. Hope the bitch see me staring too. Anyway, moving on. Yeah. Just tell me if y'all like it or not. If I get a lot of likes, get it a lot of likes. If I get a lot of likes, tongue twister. If I get a lot of likes, if I get a lot of likes, I will upload a video. I mean, you know, like a music video for it. And hopefully, Young Money will recognize me. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Let me get out of here. Because, you know, people cray-cray. So cray-cray. Alright, it's all. Bye.